Your phone is lagging because you have not turned off this particular setting. Now, if you are tired of dealing with phone hanging, then come with me to show you how to resolve that under 1 minute so that your phone can start working properly. Let's go.
First of all, come over to your phone settings and launch it and scroll down to About Phone. Click on it and scroll up again to Software Information. Click on it. Look out for build number, which is this particular one. Tap on it 7 times or more than that until this interface will appear. Just go ahead to unlock your screen with it and then click on Allow Development Settings. Click OK. Now click on the return button to return to Settings main menu. Now scroll up again to review the developer options. Click on developer options. It will appear this way. Just scroll up, keep scrolling until you get to this very particular place. Okay, take note of it. Window animation scale, toggle on it and turn it off. Come over to transition animation scale, toggle on it and turn it off as well. Come over to the third one, animator duration scale, toggle on it and turn it off. My dear, after these settings, just return to your home screen and commence your daily activities with your phone. You will notice that your phone speed will skyrocket and the lagging issue will drop drastically. So if you value this tutorial, one thing you need to do for me is to drop a like and drop your comment and follow for more updates like this so that you won't be missing out on any of our tech related tutorials. See you in my next video.